Hello mga kamatimix! This is Teacher Yang giving you math tips. This is our tip number 2. Square of a number ending with 5. Let me show you the shortcut. So, say for example, we have 15 squared, 25 squared, 35 squared, and 45 squared. 15 squared means 15 times 15. So, how do we get 15 times 15 using the shortcut method? So the first thing we have to write is the product of 5 times 5 or 5 squared. 5 times 5 is 25. So we write 25 as our ending digits. And then the next digit here is to multiply the 1 to the next digit. What is the next number to 1 when you count? The next number is, of course, 2. So 1 times 2 is equal to 2. So the answer is 225. Let's check. Using the long method, 15 times 15, we have 5 times 5, 25, 5 carry 2. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2, 7. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. If we add 5, 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 225. Now, for 25 squared, we write the last two digits, which is 25 for 5 squared. And then 2, next is 3. So 2 times 3, you multiply, 2 times 3 will give you 6. So the answer is 625. For 35 squared, we write the last two digits, which is 25, by getting 5 squared. And then next to 3 is 4. So we multiply 3 and 4. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So the answer is 1,225. And for 45 squared, this is for you to answer. Is it madali? Let's make math madali.